Racing just started. Hard power break weekly at the start. Coquette moving up now at the outside. Key Lager in the middle portion. Royal Jada Pure Energy comes next. Fly Aday Fly Oki Doki. Then next online Prince Dugo Gomarins, while Gigulo J is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Coquette by over length and a half. Royal Jada is right behind in second. Key Lager is racing in third. Gigulo J is down in fourth. Hard Power, Okie Dokie, Pure Energy, Go Marines, Fly Aday Fly, while Prince Dugo now racing in last. Back to the leader. We have Coquette maintaining a length and a half lead. Moving up down on the inside is Gigulo J, and on the outside Royal Jada, Hard Power, Okie Dokie, Go Marines. Moving up Pure Energy, Key Lager, Fly Aday Fly, while Prince Dugo is still racing in less. Another fourth turn, we have Coquette by about 2 lengths. Roller Jada remains in second. Gigulo J is down in third. Hard Power, Gomarins, Okie Dokie, Pure Energy, Fly Aday Fly. Then next online now is entry number 8, and this one is Prince Dugo as they swing for home. We have Coquette now racing away over Gigulo J in second. Last 100 meters, we have Coquette, followed by Gigulo J, Royal J, the Hard Power, and finally it's Coquette. Gigulo J, Royal J, the Hard Power, Prince Dugo, Pure Energy, and Fly Aday Fly.
1722.